In any kind of business, interaction is the key to success. If you can interact directly with your customer or client, then the possibility will increase very fast. But it's very difficult to be active all the time. What if someone makes a perfect clone of yourself, and the clone can interact with your client 24/7? Yes, that's possible. In this video, I am going to share the method of creating a perfect clone persona of anyone, and the way to interact with clients or customers. So, without further ado, let's dive in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. To create our clone persona, today I will use an amazing AI persona generator called BHuman. This amazing platform allows you to clone yourself and make personalized sales videos and integrates with over 6,000 apps. To do all of these, you have to follow just 3 steps: record your template, connect your data, and send your videos. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and you will be on this page. First of all, we have to create an account or log into an existing account. Click on the sign up button from here. Now enter your email address on this box. BHuman will send a one-time password to our mail. Copy the password and paste it into this box. On the next page, you have to enter your full name. Next, enter your designation and organization name. After that, select your industry and use case and then hit the continue button. On the next page, your interface will be like this. Now we can clone our persona from here. First, the voice clone option. Click on the add voice record button from here. Next, we have to record a minimum of 30 seconds of voiceover. Click on the record button and then read a random script like me. Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to the AI Lockup channel. I'm David, and I'm thrilled to be here with all of you today for a very special announcement. We've been on an incredible journey exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence together, and today, we're taking a significant step forward. Once completed, hear the preview. If you are not satisfied, record again, and if your recording sounds good, click on the Save and Continue button. Next, set the voice tone. On the next page, you have to enter a name for your persona. After all is set, hit the Claim button. And our voice persona has been created. Now we can train our model and use it on our project. But before going over there, let's see another method of creating a clone persona. Come to this Persona tab. Here you will notice all the persona you created. To create a new persona, click on New Persona from here. Now we have to enter details about our persona. First, the username. After entering the username, enter your company name and your title, and in the end, enter the voice of tone. After all is set, hit the Start Cloning. Oh, we have to add an avatar image also. Alright, after all is set, hit the Start Clone button. Now we have to record a 30-second audio or upload a pre-recorded audio. I will go with pre-recorded audio because it will great as I process the audio already. Click on the Upload Audio and then upload the audio file. Once the audio file is uploaded, click on the Start Cloning again. And our new persona has been created. But it's an avatar-based persona. How we can clone our faces? To do that, come to the Video Persona tab from here. Now we have to upload a minimum 5-minute long pre-recorded video. Here you will get a detailed instruction video. Watch the video carefully to get the best result.
You can ask me anything about, well, BHuman. So maybe questions about how it works, price.
Basically, we have to upload a video where someone is asking questions and our persona is answering. You have to keep quiet when someone is asking the question, keep your body and hand gesture natural. I will recommend watching this video carefully. Alright, I already made a video with this instruction. I am uploading the video now. After selecting the video, click on the next button. It may take some time to upload the video. It mainly depends on the size of your video. I am fast forwarding this part. Okay, once the video is uploaded successfully, your interface will be like this. Now we have to add some basic questions and answers. The first one is what your persona will say when it starts a video chat. I am typing, "Hey, welcome to AI Lockup. How I can help you?" The next one is that your persona will say this when it doesn't have an answer. I am typing, Unfortunately, I don't have any answer to this particular question. You can send a message from the contact section. You can ask any other question. In that way, set the answer according to the questions. After all is set, hit the Save button. Alright, BHuman will train our face now. It will take some time. In that time, you can customize your phrases. Alright, our face train has been completed. Now it's time to train our model with the information. Come to the Knowledge Base tab from here and then click on Add Training Data. Here we have to set the title of the datasheet. Next, the data option. There are 3 options: URL, text, and attachment. For the first datasheet, I will go with only text. Now type or paste your data on this box. I am entering simple greetings data. After all is set, hit the Save button. And our datasheet is ready. Now we have to generate the video response. Click here and then set the prompt size and then give some custom instructions if want. After that, hit the Next button. As you can see, our prompts are ready. We will review them later. Now let's add a URL as a train data. I will use my own website. After copying the website link, create a new datasheet with the link. In this method, train your persona. After entering the train data, generate video responses with them. Here are my responses. Alright, my persona is ready to share. Click on the Share Persona from here. You can copy the link and share your persona. But I will use the persona on my website. So, I am logging into the WordPress. After coming here, click on the Appearance tab and select the Theme File Editor. After coming to the Theme File Editor page, find the header file from here and open it. Now we have to paste the code between the head. Just copy the code and paste it between the head on your header file. After adding the code, click on the Update File button from here. And we are done. Now if you visit the website, you will find the avatar here. If you click on it, it will appear as a video call. Now you can ask any question. The AI will answer according to the training data. I am asking you to try my clone from our website. In conclusion, your clone avatar will increase the instruction between your audience and you. It will surely boost your business. Now the question is how much you have to pay for this feature. You have to pay a minimum of $39 per month if you buy it from BHuman. But you can buy a lifetime plan only for $49 from AppSumo. Yes, AppSumo now offering a lifetime package only for $49. This offer is only for a limited time. So, what are you waiting for? But the lifetime package now. Link in the description. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating a clone persona with BHuman AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!